In this section, we're pulling out the bag of tricks to show you some advanced things your Zaps can do. You'll learn how to add multiple actions in a Zap. You'll learn about specific apps we've developed at Zapier to make your workflows even more powerful and how to use them. You'll learn what a filter step is and how to add it to your Zap. You'll also learn about delay steps, so your Zaps can carry out an action after a certain amount of time has passed. We'll also cover some common ways to use Formatter to make sense out of app data. You'll also learn how to add and use a search step with your Zap. And finally, we'll go over using conditional logic in your Zaps and what that even means. By the end of this section, you'll be able to expand how your Zaps operate. One function might appeal to you more than another, but everything in this section will help you create even more efficient workflows. So let's get started.